The Executive Committee of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, in its emergent meeting held on 16th November 2020, had come to a decision to punish any lessee who collects more than the required toll fee at check gates. This may be done by recalling back the lease of such places. After the meeting, the chief executive member of the KHADC, Titas Khan, informed the members of the press that the executive members of the council would be holding a meeting with all check gate lessees and beat officers to discuss on the toll fees and also to warn them about confiscation of their lease should a higher amount be charged by them other than that which has been decided by the council.
Te gamot kadon kajing simtam kat kung kajing keno tong kini ki truck gong bakadon kajing simtam na ka kador ka balabu kan ba kawai ka bakim sultana kalong ba ka hakaju ka road mo hakaju ka district kidan la kajong ka straight amma ki tang bangila ai menta ka instruction ba ya kitu ki bala I slip hakawai ka gate kamot katu ke slip ka kide ban tepi ha ka we gate te kata ka we gate kamlah syu ban krong ka inde ka don ke cing keno ha kini isi pelada ba baki shimbet mo ki shimbet kan cuba benta la krong na we gate number 1 dapoi ha ka we gate ka ban hadin khasan 8 kilometer le se ka ba long shabar ban ka road pa ki krong bang te kani kimla na ka leng tu ni ngim sha si sen baki di ban peli ya ka slip baki mde syu man pro ila omi ke department bahkan pembet lut ni gini ki kenrum kenram bro khoi beda don kum kita ru kata kamut ha kata ka meeting ka bangin khot iki lesi ba iki beat officer initiative lut ni ke iki pro bakin call ya faro ki lesi ba chua kata ki de ban penkhre bhai ki kot kisla ki badon kam la kalong ki receipt la kalong ki instruction la kalong ki ka rate la kalong everything be de ki get ki di long well kalong kedapan kre ba kan mesyu ba ki chelong lembu